to your eternal damnation.
Oh, Lord!
For your many misdeeds, you will suffer everlasting pain throughout 1,000 lives.
Oh, God!
We shall begin with 100 years in the pit of fire.
Oh, Jesus!
Okay, can you stop with all the God talk? We don't do that here.
Oh, well, excuse me, Beardo. It's not like I want to be here.
Enough! Bow before me, heathen, and face your
Hey,
punishment.
what's that?
That is the gateway from which the sinful arrive. You died and came through that thing. Hi, welcome to hell. Enjoy your punishment.
What happens if I go back through it?
No one can return to the world of the living.
Not even if I go back through it?
Well, you can't do that.
Why not?
You're not supposed to.
The fuck is that supposed to mean?
You have no choice in this matter. You will face your punishments accordingly to pay for your... What are you doing?
Got bored. Fuck you. I'm leaving.
But you're not supposed...
Fuck your shit and fuck hell. I'm suction cup man.
You can't just leave. You died.
Death can suck my ass. You can't kill me.
But you died.
But I'll get out.
Still died.
Well, at least I don't look like a giant ketchup bottle.
How dare you speak to me in this manner? I am the Prince of Darkness, the harbinger of all that is evil. You're in my realm. You will bow to me or face the consequences.
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Fuck you too!
Fuck you three!
I said it first, so you're the most fucked.
Damn it.
Boom! Me 1, Satan 0.
Well, you're stuck in hell, so let's call it even between us.
Cool, I was here with Satan. Can we team up?
Wait, no.
Fine, then I'm leaving.
Also, no.
Then we're teaming up? Hey, I wrote us a friendship song.
Get off that wall!
It goes a little something like this. Whoa, hey! Go eat on deck, that's right. Go eat a dick, go eat a dick, dick, dick. Go eat a big old dick, go eat a dick.
You eat a dick, you...
Hi, what the fuck are you doing? Climbing your missile with suction cups, dumbass. What do you think?
Why my missile?
Why not your missile?
You're delaying my plans to bomb America.
I'll delay your plans all I want. Look at me go.
Don't you dare disarm my missile.
No, fuck you.
Fuck you.
And fuck you right back, you fucking dumpling.
Do you have any idea who you're talking to? I am the leader of this country. I am these people's god. I will have your head on a stick if you don't.
Hey, I wrote you a song.
What?
It goes along something like this. You're a bitch. Oh, you're a bitch, a bitch, a bitch, a bitch, a bitch.
Get the fuck off my missile this instant!
I can't.
Why the hell not?
Can't have you starting wars, dumbass.
Kinda starting one right now, and it's pissing me off.
Probably doesn't help that I was hired by the American government.
Ah, you American dog!
Oh, that got you real angry, didn't it?
God damn it!
Yup, I sure pissed him off now.
That does it! No more stalling! I'm launching the missile! You want to be around the next time, oh fuck!
You're a bitch! You're a bitch! You're a bitch! Bitch! Let's not playing it with her! How's it going, Mr. No-Bones?
Jesus Christ, what the fuck is your problem?
I haven't seen you since last fall.
Nurse! Nurse!
Presidential pardon, bitch. You can't do shit. Look at me go.
Ah!
I'm climbing up your tower. You can kiss my ass. I've been climbing up your tower, and I'm smudging up your glass. Hey!
Hey, don't take another suction cup, man.
Top of the tower to you, business dummy.
This is the last time you're gonna suction cup my tower, fuckhead.
Holy shit, is that a water gun? My God, man, you're insane.
There's more to it.
Let me guess, you filled it with piss. Wait, you did fill it with piss?
It's filled with a new product I whipped up so I can put an end to this shit show forever. Bam! Anti-suction cup window cleaner.
What does your company do?
We make cleaning products.
That's lame.
I'll show you what's lame.
Dumbass.
Jesus Christ. I tried to warn him that he was drifting towards the highway, but he passed it off saying something like, "Fuck the highway, you can't kill Suction Cup Man."
And also, look at me go at the end there.
Right, he also said, "Look at me go." Shit!
Officer, arrest this man for attempted murder.
We know who you are, and we're not doing that.
Fair enough. Same time next week, business dummy.
Go to hell.
Trust me, I'm way ahead of you. You dick.
I'm not finished!
Hi, I'm Suction Cup Man. You might know me as Suction Cup Man from such classics as Suction Cup Man. Well, today I'm here to tell you that after 6 years of animation, the sellouts of Pie Mations are releasing their first line of merchandise, featuring a lot of me. This shirt makes it look like you have me in your pocket. That's pretty fucking funny, I tell you what. Fuck you, I'm climbing up your phone case. Ever wanted to feel like I'm right outside your window? We also got brand recognition, these idiots, furries, and stuff that just says yeah on it. Because Pie Mations, yeah! You know, you get it. The link is in the description. It helps keep this channel going. So get over it.
Fuck! Why are you in my office? How'd you get in here?
I used the front door. How do you think, dumbass?
Get out!
Wait, one more thing. Bitch. Seriously though, link in the description and thanks for watching.
So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, cause he's brave to the core.